Yeah? You want to get it to boil? You said lid for it to boil, no lid for it. This is very interesting. Oatmeal's done. There's still a ton of what? I think this looks cool. Okay, this is one of them things where I like to try to catch him. Catch him. Alright, come on. One more shot. One more shot. There we go. There we go. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, I got your leg caught. There we go. See? You're a big little guy, huh? You're big. Oh, you gonna jump? Wee, wee. What are you doing? Wee. Roller coaster, buggy roller coaster. There you go. Back to your wall. Better now. Ooh. Oh look, jumping spider. I honestly don't know. Oh, there he is. He's right there. Goodbye, little buddy. Just telling you now, these taste nasty. Blah. But let's see. Does this have pulp? Poppity 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 pop. Doesn't say. Real coconut water with pulp. So I'm gonna try you. Pure coconut water. Does it have pulp? Neutral pulp. I think that's what it says. Oh no, this one's just pulp. Alright. There we go. So I think we'll get coconut water. Coconut water. That one's expensive, so that one. And coconut water. My lovely coconut. I should have grabbed it back. So, scanning of the club card. Final. And
$1 savings. $1 savings. $5.99 savings. $1 savings.
Eject the CD really quick. Oh. Okay, I just exit. Alright, let's try this again. Click. I think that's just because your computer's a little old. It needs a little
oil.
Yeah, maybe not oil. I don't know why it's so loud. See, and then as soon as you open it, I have it set to where it'll automatically rip. So it'll automatically go straight into your computer.